Thank you for joining us for our small business overview here today. If you're looking at this slide, this is a traditional Main Street America. It does look a little peaceful, calm, and reserved on the outside, and maybe your streets have been that way over the last, 18 to 20 months. But on the inside, I can tell you as a business owner, it is not so peaceful, calm, and reserved. We know we have a whirlwind of questions, concerns, and issues navigating new working conditions, new working environments, new legislation. And so I am thrilled to be able to share with you a resource that our company, LegalShield, has provided now for nearly 50 years. And that is LegalShield. We were created in 1972 to make equal access to the justice system a reality, not just a phrase, not just a word. And we are very proud today to protect and empower over 4 million lives and over 140,000 businesses with our services. These members have access to our top quality law firms all throughout the United States and Canada. The real question is how? How can we afford to give this large member base access to top quality law firms? Because frankly, they're expensive. Well, it's through our collective buying power. See, every month our members pay a small monthly fee. And what we do is we take a percentage of those fees and we prepay the law firms to serve our members in advance. So when you call in to our law firms as a member, you're going to hear, how can we help you? Not how can we bill you? Because excitingly enough, they're there to serve you. And so we sure hope that you'll consider being part of that collective buying power. When you think about the legal system, I know we think about it as time-consuming, complicated, and expensive. But there are companies that are disruptive innovators. Let's talk about a few. For instance, when you think about shopping, a disruptive, innovative company is Amazon, right? Simply in the palm of our hands, we have access to shopping, and through a subscription-based model, sometimes even more affordable. When we think about our music, we think about Spotify, because we don't have to buy CDs today. We simply subscribe through our app. Well, the access to justice is the same way with LegalShield. Through our technology and collective buying power, we've made that complicated, time-consuming, and expensive system now simple, easy, and affordable. But when it comes to legal issues for a small business, how do we handle our small business day-to-day issues on our small business budget? When we think about some of those issues, it would be contract and document review, contractor, supplier, vendor disputes, product liability issues and concerns, HR and employee-related matters, the threats of consumer lawsuits, tax questions, tax audits, debt collection concerns, and internet security breaches. And with the uncertain world we live in today, those traditional legal issues have become even more complex, different and more complicated HR and employee-related issues, risk mitigation, as well as commercial leasing, equipment leasing, new HR-related matters and concerns, as well as financial concerns, funding and cash flow. New legislation, well, that brings about new policies and new procedures, maybe policies and procedures that we've never heard of before, like pandemic rescue policies and procedures, as well as, of course, cybercrime and cyber attacks are through the roof. But what if you as a business owner, what if you could have unlimited access for consultation for your day-to-day questions and concerns? Have that law firm write letters and make phone calls on your behalf. Also have them review all of your contracts and documents to ensure they're timely for today. Assist you with collection when it comes to debt collection concerns. Update those employee handbooks, as well as have IRS audit services available in the event that you're audited. Or what about defending you in the event of a lawsuit and having a cyber protection plan in place to protect us from cyber crimes, and also having access to business plan strategies through consultants and more. And not for you to pay by the hour, but pay by the month. See, many of our members, we've been able to help them with these issues and more, like signing and renewing their commercial leasing agreements, assisting them with debt collection, helping them understand questions regarding employee hiring and firing or independent contractors, as well as using contracts or making sure they're using contracts that are timely today, getting proper legal steps in hiring and firing employees, things like protecting our intellectual properties, helping us collect the debt, and more. So let's talk about tailored fit plans. I'm talking about customized plans to fit your specific business need and your specific small business budget. That is so important. I don't care how great these plans are. If it doesn't fit your budget, we won't be able to serve you. This is actually a portfolio of small business plans, our Essentials, Plus, and Pro plans. Now, the representative that contacted you is waiting to hear back from you so that they can help you identify what plan is going to be best for you. Is it the Essentials? Is it the Plus or Pro? But for this illustration, let's look at the Pro plan. First and foremost, let's look at the value of this plan in terms of your premium. That premium is $169 a month. And if you scroll down to the next purple line, you'll see there that it's trial defense for business for $14.95. Combining those two together is $183.95. Now, on your small business budget, what would $183.95 do for you when you called your attorney? About 20 or 30 minutes of time. But with LegalShield, it is an entire month's worth of service. So anytime you ever have a question, a concern, an issue, when something in your gut says this doesn't feel right, something in your mind says this isn't making sense, something that may be keeping you up at night, there is no more need for you to stress, guess, finger crossed, or Google decisions, and hopefully no more sleepless nights again. Because as a member, you can simply tap the app and be able to speak to your attorney for all your business-related questions and concerns. It's unlimited advice and consultation. And not just you have up to 5 authorized users. If you have a partner, if you actually have somebody that manages your employees, manages your business, we can add them to the plan so that they're making qualified decisions. Also, your law firm will write letters and make phone calls, up to 40 letters or phone calls per year on behalf of your business. Those contracts and documents, let's get them out of the file cabinet, let's get them up off our desk, dust them off, run them by our attorney because we want them to be timely for you today. Also, if you need assistance in collecting debt, up to 15 debt collection letters a month. If you want to protect that intellectual property, have a trademark or copyright, we include one in the plan at no cost for you, as well as we can update your employee handbook. And included in that fee of $183.95, you have 100 hours of trial defense in the event of your business being sued. Now, this may not be the plan for you, but once again, the representative that invited you here today will sit with you and talk to you about what plan is going to fit your specific business need and your specific business budget. We also give you access to business consultants. What is the best way to market and advertise my business? What is the best way to actually acquire a customer, retain a customer? We need business plan strategies. We need consultants, as well as we need an online presence. So we give you a web builder with e-commerce integration, business legal forms, and a CRM, all included in our Business Plus supplement. Now remember, cybercrime, cyber attacks are a very serious situation. And by the way, from 2020, March of 2020 to March of 2021, 400% increase in cybercrime, and 76% of the victims, small business. So IDShield for Business is the best way for you to protect your business against cyber attacks affordably. We have the front end proactive, the back end with restorative. And so what we do is we scan monthly so that we can ensure that your network does not have any vulnerabilities or risks. No open doors and no open windows to your network. Once you get your report, if there are any failed findings, we actually have a remote technical support team that will go in and help you remediate and fix those vulnerabilities. But if your business falls victim to a cyber crime, you have a team of experts. These experts are on standby to help you from anywhere from your PR notifications, the investigation, and if necessary, assist you with ransomware. And how do we actually afford to pay for this? Well, we have a built-in $100,000 cybersecurity protection plan. And so your traditional business can be protected with business consultants, business attorneys, as well as obviously your cyber protection plan. But it doesn't stop there. We also have a family plan. And with that plan, we give you access to your attorneys for your personal related matters. Now, some of you may also be like me. I'm an independent business owner. I have no employees. I have no business partners. And so for an additional $14.95 on my $20.95 legal plan, I also can now ask business-related questions and also have business contracts, letters, and phone calls, and IRS Schedule C audit protection. We also have an identity theft to protect your personal identity. That's right. We monitor everything that matters in your personal life, from your name, address, date of birth, Social Security, all the way to your financial accounts, like your checking, savings, 401ks, and more. If any activity takes place, well, we have another app, and we will promptly alert you in the palm of your hands that this activity is taking place. If you caused that activity, no worries. But if you didn't, well, our members have access to comprehensive restoration services. If a professional thief steals your good name, you will need a professional to restore it. And most recently, we've added a tech box to this IDShield. We now help our members when it comes to ensuring that our privacy remains that private. We assist you with privacy management and consultation. We have a VPN to assist you in ensuring that your devices are not infected with malware. We also have a cloud-based technology that scans for those viruses and a password manager. My representative that contacted you will go ahead and talk to you in detail about these plans. And we cover your entire family with LegalShield and IDShield. And with both plans, we also give credit counseling and credit education. So remember, when you speak to my representative, make sure you also talk to them about employee benefit options, member perks, and also our legal forms. So I asked you, how does your business actually make legal decisions today? Do you make logical decisions? Do you use a friend? Do you actually pay an attorney by the high hourly rates or hire in-house counsel? Or would you rather join the collective buying power of LegalShield? I thank you for being with us here today. Please don't forget to get with my business partner who can assist you in ensuring that you protect and empower your business today.